Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for January 24th, 2017 for your Tuesday. Going to have a little bit of some early leftover showers and also some mixed rain, snow, and sleet up here in the far northern areas where the temperatures are going to be lower. And we'll have that continuing this morning. And I think we start to pull away this afternoon with most of this rain as this system moves off to the northeast. Is going to take this precipitation with it. Start affecting more of New England and less of us as we get into the afternoon hours. You can see that starting to lose its grip on the region, and that should continue to do so through the evening hours and overnight. We'll have these decreasing clouds overnight, and then we'll have a milder day here with mostly sunny skies here on Wednesday. Let's go over the NAM high-res future simulator radar. I want to go through this starting at 5 a.m. Now, again, NAM is quite impressed with some snow out here in these sections here. Would not be surprised to see this if there's still precipitation around and some heavier rates. You could still get some snow here very early on. Snow back to the west on the west side of the low here. Some sleet and freezing rain up in these areas here. A lot of these areas are under 32, so even if it's still raining, you're getting some, and even lightly, you're getting some freezing rain. Especially in the higher mountains up in these areas here, but elsewhere we should just have some spotty showers, we think. Doesn't get too far north, but then as you get up to 7 a.m., here's a look at what that looks like. It's starting to diminish. Here's 8, here's 9, 10. Still some snow showers, mixed rain and snow showers out here through the morning hours out in central PA, but that starts to diminish as well. And most of these showers start moving out here by about mid-afternoon or so, maybe some residual showers holding on into the early evening, but then that starts to head out of here, and then we head into a clearing trend overnight. Okay, so we're not expecting any additional accumulations. There might be some minor icing continuing where the temperature is still above 32, or excuse me, below 32, and that would be the far northern areas here still that are still under 32 degrees. You have to watch out for that this morning. Probably going to be some delays and cancellations of schools up in these areas here because they're going to be holding on to the precipitation longer. But that is all going to be long forgotten here by Wednesday. The winds will start calming down here Wednesday. We'll have a nice mild afternoon ahead of this front that's coming in from the west in association with this area of low pressure. And as it moves eastward, you could have an isolated shower here overnight for some areas. Not a big deal here, but this will be in the form of rain if it does come through. And then that front moves through late overnight, and those temperatures are going to start to drop a little bit as we get into your day here on Thursday. And that's going to be the theme for the next couple of days. We're going to be pretty much dry, maybe a flurry, occasional flurry coming through, especially across our northern areas, Friday through Sunday. But no large-scale systems shown here, but it will be colder, progressively colder each day until we get to the weekend. And the weekend is going to be a partly cloudy weekend with temperatures that are going to be back near normal for this time of year. We're going to be watching for, as we head into the following week, there might be an opportunity for like a little clipper system come through here, but not really much shown with this right now. And it does look like it's pretty much dry up until through at least Sunday, which is our max forecast range, and we don't want to go beyond that just yet. It does look like we're going to have a colder period where we have temperatures back to near normal or thereabout, but it is going to be drier, so it doesn't look like it's going to be any big storms on the horizon. It gives us a chance to dry out from this big storm that we had yesterday. And the winds will still be breezy today as well. Is one thing I forgot to mention. Still have some breezing conditions early on, especially with those winds coming in a little bit on the breezy side here with the area low pressure still in close proximity to the shoreline. Will give us northwest winds about 10 to 15 miles per hour, initially starting off north, and it will switch to northwest and continue that way overnight. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for January 24th, 2017. Have a great Tuesday.